Okay, guys, I have been living with Kristen and Joseph Waldrep for the past week, but I am moving family on this Wednesday. It's Monday today. So you'll get to see my new family too, but the reason I am moving from this house to a new family is because Kristen and Joseph is only a welcome family. So that means I am not able to stay permanently with them, but I will get to visit them and see them a lot. I also got two host brothers, but they probably won't be in the video.
You're camera shy.
They are kind of camera shy. But yeah, I will update you guys on Wednesday when I move. As I told you guys, I am moving family. I got all my stuff packed. It's kind of sad, but I get to experience a lot of new things there, so it'll be okay. And I can always come visit Kristen and the kids outside and Joe, so it's a bit sad, but you gotta just follow as it goes on. Yeah, so they're coming to pick me up in about 10 minutes. Okay, I am now at the Lindsay's. You can call it, yeah. This is my host brother, Hogan.
Hey, I'm Hogan.
This is where I'm gonna be staying for the rest of the year and the first half of 2017. So, oh, and by the way, this weekend you're gonna look forward to. It's gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna give it away.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy.
I'm not gonna give it away yet. But yeah, I'll see you on Friday, I believe it is. Yeah. Bye.